the mother who carries you through life.
She's always there for me.
For the family who keeps you safe.
They're my heart. I live for them.
For the people who lift us higher.
To learn from each other, that is growth.
For the best friends who allow you to always be yourself.
She never judges, always there.
And for the heroes who ignite your passion.
I will always have love for football.
For the people you've given your heart to.
Die liefde betekent alles voor mij. En nu zijn we 16 jaar getrouwd.
Being able to know everything about a person.
She's a sister that I never had.
Football for me it's everything.
Love is universal.
The love between me and my family.
Unconditionally. Always and ever.
She's a really important part of my life.
Share it with the world.